Okay guys, welcome along to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain name. It's really easy. So whatever domain name you've decided on, we'll go in now, check it's available. If it's available, we'll buy it. I'm actually going to buy a domain name that I want to purchase so I can show you the whole process of this. It's really easy. So let's get started. Now, I get all my domain names through Namecheap, namecheap.com. It's one of the cheapest around. It's one of the biggest around. Got great service, great support, and I always use them. I used to use another company called 123reg, but I had a few issues with them, so I moved all my domains over to Namecheap. I've got a load of domains. I've got a lot of my own, but I also look after a lot for clients and stuff. So I've got all them domains in here in my account. Definitely recommend Namecheap. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so this is where you would search for the domain name that you're looking for. So say it was johnswindowcleaning.com. You thought you wanted a window cleaner called John. You thought that was the domain name you would like for your website. You just literally put it in the bar, search, and it'll tell you whether that's available. If it is available, you can go in and register it. It is available. So John's Window Cleaning, we could go in and purchase. It's £6.77 a year, which is a really good price. They've actually got a sale on at the moment, so you're saving. It should be £8.37, so you're saving a little bit of money there. That's it. You literally just go in, you search for the domain you want. If it's available, it'll tell you. You add it to cart and away you go. Okay, so let's search for another domain, which is the one I'm gonna purchase. Okay, so this is the one I want, and this is just literally to be used as a development domain, so I can develop sites on them, show them to clients before I put them live on their own server with their own domain. So I just want to purchase that. So okay, I'll put it into the search box. I'll press search, and we'll see if this domain is available. Yes, it is. £2.88 a year, which is really cheap. They've got a bit of a sale on, so I'm saving £3 there. It's great deal. Okay, so literally just add that to cart. There we go. It offers you web hosting and SSL certificates and email and all that sort of thing. You can take the web hosting if you would like. I would recommend. I do all my domain names with Namecheap, and I do my hosting with another company, which is what I'll be showing you. But you can, if you want to get your hosting with Namecheap, that's not a problem. But that's not what I do, so we're ignoring all that. We just literally want the domain name. So 1 year registration for that domain name. It's in our cart. So let's view the cart, move on to the next stage. Okay, again, there's all hosting and all the things we can add. We don't want any of that. We just want to confirm the order. Want it registered in my name, so I'll just type in my first name, my surname, my address, okay, state or county, postcode or zip code, phone number, not a problem, I'll pop that in there. Fax number we don't want. Email address. Okay, there we go. Pop that in. Okay, and then we save that. Brilliant. Okay, that's all our info put in there, and we continue. And let's see where we end up. Okay, so we've got everything there. We filled in our whois details. That's the name and details the domain is registered to. We can see our price, $3.78, convert that to dollars. And we're ready to go. Let's pay. Okay, and that's just being processed. Bingo. We've purchased our domain and we're ready to go. So that's it. That's our domain now, and that's registered. No one else can register. Now, what you would do, as I say, I use Namecheap for all my domain names, but I use for the web hosting, I use another company. So all you need to do is you go into manage, and you just need to change the name servers on the domain, which is really easy to do. Let's find our domain. That's the one we just purchased. We click on manage, and in here, this section, name servers, we just need to change them. At the moment, they're on the default Namecheap servers. We want to change that to custom DNS, and when you register for hosting, it will tell you what your name servers are, and so any domains you buy, you just point to that name server. So this is my name server here. I shall just, for my web hosting account, you normally get 2, so you just pop them in there, and then all that does is that points this domain to your hosting. Simple. Click the little tick. There we go, that's done. So now we've purchased our domain name. We've changed the name servers on it to point to our web hosting, and we're ready to go. That's us finished now with the domains. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I shall see you in the next video.